All right, the traffic noise might be bad, but I'm just gonna get started right away because I'm losing daylight, so I'm gonna do mountain pose. The sunset is behind me, like right there. There's a house like there, can see out their living room window probably and watch me doing yoga across Highway 64. But the river is right behind me. There's a little walking path and there's like a little U-shaped cul-de-sac-y parking area to just go peek at nature. And so there's traffic literally like maybe, I'm really bad with distance, 100 yards that way. A tree is holding my phone. I have a little clippy thing. I'm gonna do the palm pose that holds my phone, and it's all twisted around and it was bouncing, so then one of the tree branches is underneath of it propping the clippy part. This looking up is really helping my neck. I've got a lot of neck tension. And I forgot my notes, so I'm not going to do goddess pose, but I am going to do triangle pose. So I'll do the star pose, 5-pointed star pose. So that was 2. This is 3. Poses, 4 breaths. I'm going to do triangle pose right away. Back up into 5-pointed star pose for 1 breath. It's a good transition pose. Triangle pose, other side. And then, wow, that was a dizzying one. Maybe I will just do the goddess pose. So my feet are never how they're supposed to be, but I'm gonna try my best. My hips are supposed to be at a full flat, you know, my thighs are supposed to be completely flat, but that doesn't gonna work, so I'm just gonna do the best. I think I did get my legs open just a little bit more, and I'm just gonna try to do 2 breaths in the tree pose. Okay, I did 2 breaths with my left leg down. Even if it looks like my right leg, it was my left leg. Now this is my right leg, usually my stronger side. 2 breaths. Okay, now a quick show if I don't get poked by this very thorny tree. Okay, I am literally, the tree is here. See the sunset going down? I'm gonna flip. That's literally right there is the highway, and I am standing right there. And I'm gonna slowly turn around. There's the sunset. So you guys get the pretty view of the river while I'm looking at the highway, but I'm still breathing in So much nature. I did my 5 yoga poses next to the river. I get to hear the birds sing. And it's so pretty. I got some fresh air. It's so late that I was going to go to Otts Park again because then I can get a little bit of the sunset. But pretty soon I'll get my park sticker on my vehicle that my husband bought for me. And look at that sunset. And then I can go to council grounds. The park sticker is sitting right on my desk. But I've had so many things going on that I just have not gotten it on my vehicle. That's such a beautiful sunset. So, have a wonderful evening, everybody, and enjoy life.